Hey guys, I've just had the direction of my ceiling fan reversed, so I thought I'd take the time to show you it on all 3 speeds in summer mode. So here's the light, this switch does the lights, here's the fan, this is what you've all been waiting for. Oh yes, it's in summer mode now. And there's the media fan, and the Toshiba fan, and all the other fans. Right, so let's do medium. So this fan will be on downdraft for the remainder of my videos until next winter. So yeah, there's that. And here's high. Let's try it with this, do it without the lights on. Oh yeah, I feel that wind. And there we go. And that was the Arlec 47-inch unique design ceiling fan in downdraft mode. So thank you guys for watching, comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Okay, goodbye.